Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of full screen on the application of Slack. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Slack and you can update your app if you will find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.